Hey, we are back in the garage today. I'm going to be heading out to the car shortly. I'm going to work on the headliner today. I bought some of these twist pins, just kind of as a thing to do in the interim because I am going to do the headliner, the real thing. But I just want to make it look nicer, give me something to do, and have some sort of project that can be finished and have something to show for it. So we'll be in the car today. Right now, I have the doors open, airing it out because it is a little hot outside. So we're going to be popping in there in a minute, and let's see what we can do. So we're inside the car right now. Got my little headliner things. You can see that the headliner sags pretty good in here, but I do want to do the entire job. But for now, we're just going to see if we can make it look a little bit better and go from there. All right, well, here I am in the cargo area of the wagon. I put the back seat down so I could just lay down and do this. I put one of the push pins up just to kind of hold it up. This is sagging really badly, so hopefully I can make it look a little bit better. But let's see what we can do. And I'm just going to kind of get started and find the middle and push this sucker in. And it says just to push it in and twist it until it's flush. Okay. That's flush. And I guess we just go back. I only got 10 of them for now. I have more coming. But we push this one in. And I'm getting a workout. Okay. Not too bad. I'm a little not very even here, but that's okay. Alright. Let's see if we can. We might just have to do this a couple times and put it in, take it out, put it in and take it out, and try to find the right place for it. Also, I took the trim off, so I think if I took the trim back off and put it on, I could tighten it up a little bit better. I'm gonna reposition this. This just doesn't feel right here. Keep getting all this dirt and old foam in my eyes. I'm gonna just push this in here, twist it in. It's going pretty easy, actually. Alright. Doesn't look too bad. I don't know how I feel about the quilted look here. I think I'm just gonna avoid that if possible, but it kind of works. And this was just there just to make it look kind of even, but there's a couple spots I need to go through and tighten up here, right here. But overall, it's looking pretty good. All right, we're in the car here, finished up the headliner. I think it doesn't look too bad. It could be better. I need more pins. I have more coming, but they are stuck in the mail and won't get here for like another 9 or 10 days. So I'll probably have a follow-up video to this soon, because some of this stuff right here, I'd like to hold up a little bit more. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. I'll take some pictures from the front too, and we'll see how it looks that way. All right, so finally get to sit behind the wheel again, which I can't wait to drive this car. It's just so much fun to drive. It's a 4-cylinder. It's so silly. Anyway, look back here. From this view, it looks pretty crappy, actually. In person, it looks much better than it's coming across on film. So once I get the other 10 or so of these little tack things, I'll redo it in a nicer pattern. I'll measure it out, and then I'll have a follow-up video to this. That way we can go through everything. I'll tell you how many I had to use in all to get this whole back half fixed. So I'm really looking forward to getting everything back together and redoing this headliner for real, and making it look nice again. Don't forget, like and subscribe. trying to grow my channel. I know this is silly. I'm trying to make fetch happen. But this is a labor of love, I promise you. Thanks.